Welcome back, everyone, to talk about one of my favorite topics, DUIs. Not because I like DUIs, obviously, it's not good to get DUIs, but it's one of the areas of law I love to work on because it's one of the areas where I really have a great grasp of the law and how to win a DUI. So the first thing I wanted to talk to you about is the stop. What happens during an initial stop in a DUI case? What will happen is it's just like any other traffic stop where an officer pulls you over, usually because you've committed some type of infraction. So the first thing you'll notice is you get, an officer lights their headlights up because they saw you commit some type of infraction. The most common ones are failing to maintain a single lane, which people usually describe as weaving. When you see a car kind of weaving in the road, it may be going too fast or going too slow or driving without your headlights. Whatever it may be, an officer pulls you over because they think you are driving under the influence or have committed an infraction. And the first thing they look for is, do you have red bloodshot eyes? Do you have slurred speech? Do you have an odor of alcohol on your breath? Can you easily find your license, registration, and insurance? All these are telltale signs of someone who's been drinking and may be under the influence. So at that point, if a police officer asks you out of the car, they're usually asking you out of the car to see what your balance is like getting out of the car and walking towards the rear of the vehicle. And in most jurisdictions, you're gonna be on camera while this is going on. So the camera will pick up if you have any issues with balance. And then they ask you for the dreaded roadside exercises. And at that point, you're pretty much going to jail. So regardless of how you do on those exercises, the police officer is pretty much usually going to arrest you. But if you want a little more information, stay tuned for the next one about what to do if you get caught in this situation.